right, detector safety protection, anti-spy detector, new. These are just for uses at the factory. So anti-spy, anti-eavesdropping, anti-tracking, strong magnetic detection. Nothing on the top or bottom. The side says anti-spy detector, anti-spy, same stuff. The back shows like a recording thing. Maybe your privacy is at a glance, but you don't know it. There's no tape, there's no nothing on this. It came like this. This side flips open, and then you can just open it right up. Look at that presentation. Wow. Very nice, soft red velvet there. Now let's take this out, and I guess let's look at this thing. Yeah, so it's literally scanning for like RF and UG rays. So that way it'll help you know if you're being spied on. It is micro USB on the bottom, so it's not USB-C type. Some kind of dial here, modes. Oh, whoa, that turns it on. Interesting. What happens when I bring it closer to, alrighty. Well, whoa, there's like a light down here. So is that how it works? So nothing on me, but if I look up, yeah, it knows the phone has stuff. The phone makes it go crazy and red. Set it here for now. Get our nice velvet padding out of the way. So here's a little user's manual. So that should come in handy, very handy. Whoa. Then we have a included micro USB cable to charge your anti-spy detector. And then we have whatever in the world that this thing is. Look at that laser probe head, and it actually plugs into the bottom where your USB part is to charge this. Whoa. All right, this is really something else. And then this, which looks like this, would kind of go on this to you know, clip on your shirt or something like that. So special thanks to Ebarsenc. I see that that's the company name on this. I've worked with them before. So thank you for sending this to me.